ऐड को देख के लगता है कि लगाना चाहिए, अच्छा है, क्रीम है.
क्यों लगाना चाहिए?
गोरी हो जाते हैं, नौकरी मिलते हैं, रिश्ते आते हैं शादी के लिए.
In the film industry, when we cast people in terms of roles, it's so clearly that, if you have to play an urban educated role, it would be a fair-skinned person, and if you have to play a villager and a poor person, it has to be dark.
And Black Lives Matter is pushing for a much more systemic change, then these companies want to come along and make the smallest little tweak possible to basically adjust themselves to the new kind of political correctness. And that's not good enough.